To fix the Cash App Further Action Required issue, start by ensuring your account is verified. Verification is a crucial step in resolving this problem, as it confirms your identity and allows you to access all of Cash App's features. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the profile icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon. Then select the support option from the menu. Next, scroll down to the Can't Access Account section and choose the issue that best describes your problem. You can select the Further Action Required option or contact support directly. If you are unable to find a solution, you will need to contact Cash App support. To do this, go to the Cash App website and click on the Contact Support option at the bottom of the page. You can also contact Cash App support through the mobile app by following the same steps as before. When you contact support, be prepared to provide some information about your account, such as your name, email address, and phone number associated with your Cash App account. This information will help the support team verify your identity and assist you in resolving the issue. In addition to verifying your account and contacting support, you can also try updating the Cash App to the latest version. Sometimes, the issue can be resolved by simply updating the app. It's also essential to ensure that your device and operating system are compatible with the Cash App. If your device or operating system is outdated, it may cause issues with the app, including the Further Action Required error. To avoid this issue in the future, make sure to keep your Cash App updated and your account verified. Regularly monitoring your account activity and reporting any suspicious transactions can also help prevent this issue from occurring. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to fix the Cash App Further Action Required issue and continue using the app without any problems. Remember to always prioritize your account security and follow the recommended troubleshooting steps to resolve any issues that may arise.